Hello everyone, it is Miss Gauerke, and this is Plot Structure Part 2, and you should only watch this if you have all of the boxes filled in for the Maniac Magee plot structure, which means all of these boxes right here have something filled in. So there should be words written right here. I do not have them all written in here because I want you to think for yourself. All right, so this video is going to teach you exactly how to put this into here. So that is what we are going to do today. You are going to need just 4 things: your paper that has all of these boxes filled in, and you're going to need your mother of all of these elements, your novel study manila folder. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and some glue. Bottled or glue stick, doesn't matter. Both of those things are sticky and are used to stick paper. Alrighty. So first of all, you are going to take this piece of paper. We're going to put this aside. You are going to cut out this little box right here that has all of the plot structure elements on there. You're going to cut this all out, looking really pretty. Make sure to cut on those solid lines, my friends. And then you are going to stick this right inside of your foldable. So you're going to, right, so you have all of this cut out. Remember, this has words in there. Make sure you have words in there. Then you're going to open up your foldable and we're going to glue it right here. And I'm going to leave room here on the left side because this is where we're going to add this right on top of here, this story structure line right here. So make sure that you leave a little room, but you're not right here on that fold area. So right where I've placed my piece of paper, I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to put a few glue dots on my piece of paper. I'm going to put a dab of glue here, dab of glue there, dab of glue here, dab of glue there, in each of the corners. And I'm going to stick this right here, nice and close to that line. Make sure it's nice and sticky. Alrighty, put that aside to dry for a few minutes. And then you're going to take out your next piece of paper, which is this. So now we're going to cut out this portion. If you would like to color it, that is just fine. If you don't want to color it, that is also fine as well. But if you decide to color it, it is much easier to do it when it's not cut out. So you're just going to cut out this big ol' rectangle here along those dotted lines. Not dotted, solid. Solid lines. Okay. Get rid of the trash. So now you have this very clearly cut out little rectangle right here. Now, you are going to very, very carefully cut along each of these solid black lines. However, you're not going to cut past that. So you're going to leave this line right here where it says plot structure uncut. For mine, it's like a little grayish green place. You're just going to take your scissors, cut all the way to that line right there and stop. So you should have a little flap right here. And I'm going to fold mine, well, I don't know. All right. Next, you do that for all of them. Cutting all the way up to not past that plot structure place. There you go. Then I'm going to fold, let's focus this. I'm going to fold each of these little lines over. There you go. So I'm going to fold this over just like that, just so we have a nice clean line to glue on and to stick in our foldable or manila folder. Make sure that those have a very nice crease and are all folded over. And this is the very easiest way to glue this in. Okay, then you're going to flip over and then very, very carefully put some little glue dots right along this white line. Be very, very careful as to not get any glue on your story structure element words. Okay, so now you've got that all glued. We're going to get ready to stick that into your foldable. If your foldable fell on the floor like mine, you can pick it back up. And you are going to put that glued side face down right next to the spots that you just glued it into. And make sure that all of your little lines line up, which is why we folded them all over, so we can make sure that each line up super perfectly, just like that. So once this looks like this, you can fold all of these over. And there, as you can see, they match up perfectly with our bottom piece. And there you have it, your very nice plot structure element added to your foldable. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for the next empty spots. What are we going to put in there? I don't know. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Goodbye.